So today we're going to work on this and repair it. So what's happened is two things here. One is this metal post, which is a Schedule 40. And Schedule 40s are notorious for rusting out and breaking. The other issue here is the stay rods in this gate are messed up. So what we're going to do is take the gate off. We'll repair the stay rods, and then we'll dig a post hole behind this post. Since this is all tied together, what we'll do is set a post behind it and through bolt it to keep it in place. Now when I take these gates off or put them on, what I like to do is take the bottom hinge off first, because that way the gate's not flopping and falling on you when you're working on it. So if you take the top hinge off last, that makes life a lot easier. I got this partially dug out. You can see I got over 2 foot of concrete on this post. You can see how it rusted and split off right here at the concrete. So as I said, we're going to continue on down in this hole, and then we'll put a sleeper post behind it. So what we ended up doing is the post in front was all wired in, and there was about 200 pounds of concrete on the piece that was rusted off in the ground. So instead of making a bigger mess trying to dig that out and lift it, what we did is dug a hole behind it, and we used 2 landscaping timbers and a 2x4 spacer to build out to it. So this is our 2 landscaping timbers and our treated 2x4 lined up with our posts. Then what we did is drilled and lag bolted the original post to it. That way we didn't have to redo the entire fence and dig out the 200 pounds of concrete in the ground. So we ended up adding about 150 pounds of concrete around the back 2 posts, and that completed our repair. So please comment, subscribe. We'll see you on the next video.